So I went to the Quakertown flea market on August 24th.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
And this is it right here. So what do I got? 4 tables.
4 tables, that is 40.
Okay.
20, 30, 40.
All right, there you go. 40 bucks.
You got it.
All right.
Stuff I wouldn't mind rebuilding again.
60 bucks.
50? Sounds
I
fair.
think I got to stick at 60.
Yeah,
That is
fair.
pretty good. Yeah.
No, I had to bring my vampirella down. You're into cartoon characters
Yeah.
and stuff. 50.
Yeah.
20, 40, 50. Because I have to take this back to the car anyway. I'm sticking models in the drop ceiling.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
now I got, these I can at least build and hang.
Look at this. Pretty neat.
It was, when I was growing up, Vampirella was it.
Yeah.
She was my favorite comic book. I had a whole stack, and I took them to auction, and the auctioneers ripped me off. Never got a penny for all my stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So
You know how many times I hear that about auctions? All the time I hear about
that's
it.
why I didn't want to put it in.
Yeah.
My boss says, "Hey, I've never had a problem with them." And the day I
Yeah.
put my stuff in, he rips everyone. He lost probably 6,000 or 7,000. I lost about 3,000.
I don't know that I've been ripped off, but I've put stuff in auction houses and literally had to call them 3 months later to get them to send me a check because they just won't do it. Not all of them, but some of them. Let me ask you one question about kits. When it comes to the kits, do you prefer traditional styrene, resin, or vinyl?
I like them all.
Really?
Every
You don't have
one
a
of them.
preference for anything.
Every one of them has their own characteristics,
Yeah.
and I like every bit of it.
I-
I love them all.
I used to say vinyl, but styrene is so versatile. You can repair it easily.
Well, yeah,
It stays good when it's done.
I had bought like
know.
$3,000 of evergreen styrene of every shape that there is.
Yeah.
So I can do anything I want with styrene.
That's-
Made a dumpster up and painted it just like the dumpster. I mean, put the concrete patches and everything in it. The handles went up and down. Everything worked on it.
That's work, man. I've made a little bit out of styrene. To make a dumpster, you gotta do a lot of measuring. That's pretty cool, man. I think the most I've ever done with styrene was I had a model kit of Hitler. It was Born Losers. It's like, you ever see the Born Losers set? It's a caricature of Hitler shooting himself in the head. And it came out in the 50s or 60s. It's worth a fortune.
I've seen a picture, but not.
Yeah, it's a little funny when he's got a big head and he's going like this. And so it's hilarious. I loved it. But it cost like $400 loose. It's $1,000 in the box. And I found one online that was incomplete for I think it was like $160. And it was broken. And he came with his little Hitler hat. And the brim was busted. And I used styrene to make a new brim for the hat.
Yeah.
And that was it. But if I couldn't make a dumpster, I'm not good at. Well, I'm not. My dumpster would be all lopsided. Well, how do you get the bat to not fall off?
It's a little black wire between
Oh,
your finger and the end of the
Let me
bat.
see.
That.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, and that's great, and it's hidden right behind her finger. I love modifying like that. That's great.
Well, you get this back in the car.
All right, man.
To it.
Have a good one.
I got a lady who loves this.
What'd you say?
So I got a lady who loves this.
Thank you. Now, thank you.
Thank you.
Now, I'm filming for YouTube. Is it okay if I put you on camera there?
Not a problem. You're going to be on YouTube, right?
Yeah, gotta be on YouTube.
All
Yeah.
right, well, let them know to stop at Todd's Place at Quakertown.
Todd's Place at Quakertown.
There you go, brother.
All right, what do you sell?
Toys.
Is $4.
I'll get them. You can break out 20 at a time.
Sure. Yeah, I can bring it. Yeah. Thanks. Let me see. Well, this is 15. And then give me 20 for all of them.
I'll look around yet. I'm gonna put them back over there, Bob.
Tell you what, give me 15 for all of them. All right.
That is a sweet rate.
Yeah, I'm filming for YouTube.
Nice.
Thank you.
What's your channel?
Collectible toys for mama's boys.
I love it.
We'll check your channel out.
Yeah, thanks. Some funny videos and then just videos of me selling stuff and buying. You know?
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
These aren't worth a lot of money.
No, they're worth about $7 to $10 a piece. Yeah.
Oh, the Millennium Falcon, that's worth a lot of money.
Right? From when your age, from when you were a kid,
Yeah.
in the box it's about $50.
The dude in there sells it for like 500 or something.
Yeah, but it's still gonna be there.
Yeah.
Well, wait a minute. The one from the '80s when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Not
like
when I was
you,
a
what are
kid.
you like 26?
Yeah.
Yeah, the one from when you were a kid, it's worth a lot less. Yeah,
Oh.
because by the time you were a kid, everybody wised up and started saving this stuff.
Yeah.
Now all the stuff that's from the '90s and up is not worth very much money at all, really.
Well, dude, I love that toy.
Yeah, that's cool. 20?
All right.
All right, thanks, Lisa. Hey, it's $20. Have a good one.
Thanks. You too.
Well, I couldn't find any reference on the value of this kit. Soundwave's 100.
Yeah.
And I got another G1 here.
Yeah.
That's also 100. I was not able to catch the beginning of this transaction on camera, but this guy shows up and he sees this 520 ST Atari system, and I didn't know anything about it. And there's a bunch of pieces, 2 keyboards, like 4 or 5 other pieces. I didn't know what they were, but everything was broken. It was super yellow. The keyboard you see him buy is missing a key, and it's split in half. It's literally coming apart. I thought the stuff was garbage. So this is what happened.
I'm just surprised you even see one.
All right.
Well, they're semi-rare. What would you want for that? I mean, I'd just be scavenging.
Just
for
the
parts.
keyboard?
Yeah,
20?
that's certainly worth it. I mean, they go on eBay for more than that. I mean, even ones that don't work.
What do you want to pay?
I'm all right, man. I don't really need it.
You want to do 15?
Yeah, sure. I'll give you 15 for that. What are the chances you find somebody that actually knows what this stuff is, let alone can use it? You know?
Yeah.
This is an Atari 520 ST.
Now, was that made for music?
Yeah.
I just assumed that nobody would ever use those things.
Well, the music, see,
Yeah.
they have this old MIDI software that they have not surpassed it. The timing was impeccable on them. All right, thanks, man.
Thanks, man. Have a good one.
Surprised to find one of these here.
Cool. So after he left, I got curious and I started looking this stuff up, and this stuff's worth like hundreds and hundreds of dollars. I looked up everything everything I had on the table was worth like $260 to $360, even in the condition that it was in on eBay. This stuff was selling, untested, yellow, broken for that kind of money. And then he comes back and he tells me he wants to buy everything. And I remember I already told him everything. He could have everything for $60. So this is what happened.
We got this. These drives, the 2 bricks in that unit for.
Okay.
I'll be
And
giving you
everything-
65 altogether. Count that
Yeah.
other one you gave me. So I had to go get my car and an ATM. I'll be back for that second one. Hey, thanks a bunch, man. We're
Have
good
a good
then?
one. Yeah.
All right.
Good. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
So that's what I get for not doing my research. He was a super nice guy, though. He paid me $5 extra. He actually offered me more. He said, you know, I know this stuff's worth a lot more. Do you want some extra money? And I got the impression he kind of felt bad. But I said $60, and so I had to give it to him for that. But I think it was really nice that he offered that kind of money. It's a really great guy. But that's, you know, that's the flea market. That's how it works. We're all there to try to get a deal, and he got a deal. So good for him. All right, 6, 57, 58, 59, $66. All right, there you go.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
All right, so you got 124.
Got it.
And that's it for the day.
Hi, will you be using your mobile app today?
Today we're talking about the comic book community war.
All right, this is Delco Resale. I buy toys, comics, and video games. I live in the Delaware Valley area near the Commodore Barry Bridge. If you got anything you want to sell, like Star Wars, Transformers, G.I. Joe, superheroes, comics, video games, contact me at the information below. Thanks for watching. Bye.